Hello my wonderful kings and queens, welcome back again to my channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another video. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you come across this my channel and you never subscribe, I beg make you don't forget to subscribe if you don't watch this video finish, and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I throw away my bonge gist, now you first they grab the matter for hand. Yes, my people, I say make I throw away the matter for now the way it be now about waiting they happen for our obodo Naija right now. In short, no be news again. All of us don't know wetin dey happen. Even the operation crocodile smile when they say they won't carry come, we know all of them. My people, the thing when they wonder me for this matter, the thing when they wonder me well for this matter, I don't know whether na me na in dey slack, na me na in don't know abi I dey miscalculate, I don't understand the matter. Now say I won't make una self still look inside this matter. When I won't tell una so, make una still tell me how una take understand the matter, which is this EndSARS stroke end SWAT. I don't understand the matter again. That is EndSARS they divert to end SWAT. Nigerians come out talk say they don't want that thing that they call SARS again. Sake of say they don't change many people's life to imaginable. That is the thing when you don't expect for your life. They don't turn many families, they don't turn many people's life upside down. They don't do sote to the extent self. They go even carry AK follow you for back. Say make you go for bank, go ATM, go collect, give them. See, I not go let you make pen. Nigerians talk say they don't tire for this system. They want everything, make it be brand new now. They want reform everything to the way where they want them. Then they say they don't want this SARS because now them be the roots of the whole problem. Even though say the matter rob all of them, he rob AK, he rob Koti, he rob all of them. But now this SARS, now they all come be like say he worst pass. Now for the government, they change SARS, they can't change am to SWAT. As I see the thing, I say, what? I even hear say they don't even they do training for them. I say training call, training knee. From where this one for come? This protest, we know how many days when it don't start now. Interval of 4 to 5 days, government, they don't form another one that they call SWAT. How it take come out? That is, they first saw the uniform, they first saw and keep. Abi people first day the one they stand by say one day egbe go gas for this SARS problem, then go replace. How? My people, because the thing still they wonder me. That's in interval of no less than 5 days. They don't bring another one that they call SWAT. They say they don't pack the one that they call SARS, go one side. They don't sew uniform for them, even though say the uniform be like Obioma, na in Swan. My people, I don't know how I see this matter. Nigeria government, una need to fear God small. Una need to fear God small. I know say that they brainwash. That is that they feel say Nigerians in particular say we don't know anything. Anything when they do all this when they do say we don't know all of them, but not to this extent. Oga government, not to this extent. You are telling me now that under 5 days you don't create everything. Don't they train them? Every people don't ready. For my own mind, my people, I tell them say if I won't make my video, I dey talk am the way I take see am, the way I take think am. For my own mind, now the shirt, the cloth one that they used before, that SARS cloth, now these people still wear. They only command the badge when they write SARS put. They only sew the badge, attach the other one they write SWAT put. Yes, now true. Make una reason am with me. And those people when they say they be the new SWAT, all of them are lie. Now the old SARS people, now they still come back, wear the same cloth uniform when they don't first sew before when it be their own size. They only change the badge when they put. By the way, how you want to know who be the old SARS and the new one? So Nigerian government make they stop to the fool themselves. Make I talk and themselves that they fool. Enough is enough. It's too much. People come out say the way one they treat them, this something is too much. This something is too much. In short, now when this EndSARS matter come, now we come they hear some secrets, many things what we don't know. My people, if you watch some kind video when some people they share their experience, how their life don't take change, some day for which different thing when SARS don't do for their life. In short, if you be say you don't know them before, you go even thank God say you don't even know SARS. Don't be people when they pray to know. These people now say we don't tire for the system. They need to change them. They need to upgrade. They need to reform. Just for only the president, only to come out, they never to ask something. Just come out and address the nation. Look wetin they want. look how they want this something. President no fit come out. Up till now, president no fit come out. It is same message from one of people when they follow am from one to another. The same message they tweet. Since when you enter tweet, Mr. Oga, abi Mr. Presido, if you want to talk about people when they tweet self, you no even reach the level at all. You no fit come out to address the people. When you be say, for uptown here, children when you dey primary school, I get pikin, I get children. One of my child when he dey for primary school, primary 4, now she dey now. Every day, now their teacher they give them updates about this Okoro when it dey happen now. When it be say they terrorize the whole world, they give them updates every day. If he call house, I say, Mama, see what teacher talk today. They say now this one, now they upgrade them. They tell them say, now so it be now so it be for the other country. Now so it be like this. Now this one be the next. Now this one be victim when you just get an talk less of a whole nation. For president to come out to address the nation, you know fit. And they talk and somebody they tell me say, Oga Presido, you no gree come out now. Oga Bubu, you no gree come out. You don't want to address the nation. Why? They say because if he talk, now only the error, the grammatical error when he dey inside, now people will see pick for his side. People go dey laugh am. People will say not talk and well. People will talk say, not be certain they pronounce this one. Now he make and keep to himself. Say you know go talk to the nation again. As if that one I know freezing. These are things that you're supposed to prepare for. You won't stay that position. These are one of the things. You know fit speak English the way people want them. Then they pick your grammatical error. Then they talk say you talk and well, you not talk and well. No be they use present for past tense. They use past tense for present. Say the thing. If they disturb you, now that one can't give you the reason why we say you don't feel address the nation. Upon say there is fire on the mountain. That means you are not competent. That means you are not eloquent. That means you are not versatile. That means give the person where be say you go feel address them where they not go see grammatical error. Let the person say that position. Simple. Why you go stay for there? You won't go heaven, but you don't want back. You go stay for that position. You go pass the message to another person. Meanwhile, we they pay on big money for that work because whether they like it or not, now we they pay them. My people are like, we they pay them that they work for us. So now don't see where be saying I work and I will come the detect for Oga how you want the thing. Now we go talk with it we want. Just imagine video when I watch governor of Lagos State. He carry a whole matter when it's serious like this. Carry people matter. Say this now waiting the youth. This one are waiting the nation wants. We are talking of the nation. We know they talk of state here. We know they talk of community here. Carry the matter all the way from Lagos. Go Abuja. Go present the matter to Oga Presido Bubu. Say this one are waiting the people talk say they want. Imagine this man start to dey laugh. He burst laugh. He burst laugh. Wetin don't dey embarrass the past that one. He no dey for this world again. He burst laugh. People, children, are in the Lego day and night. If you watch some video there, I would have loved to share it, but I know if you share it for here. Why? Because of YouTube policy. Many things. Many people go dey watch them. Many secrets, many things when we come know since when this NSAS can start. He dey laugh. That means the matter not serious. That means say now play. Now they why? Because that Aso Rock when they don't dey there, if like say the thing is secure, the fit say no fly go fit fly past there. I see one small boy when I watch the video finish. I don't be myself throughout that day. See the way they take handle this boy. The boy itself he go don't buy small picking. Why they pick all these people, take advantage of them. They use them against the peaceful protester just because they give them 500 naira or 300 naira. Take advantage of their situation because you see say these people they hungry, they buy them. Anything when they give them, they are ready to risk their life for anything when you give them. Take advantage of them. That is the society we live. My people, we go see this kind of thing, we go keep quiet. We go see this kind of thing, we go mute. If sometimes I the one that be say we never reach, guys, we be like say sometimes the one that say we never reach to get independence of our own because all these people will be say they can't hijack everybody, hold everybody like say we be their hostage. The time when you boy even dey self, you not just was rich like this. My people are not understand the matter from SARS to SWAT, and you are telling me that interval of 2-3 days, we don't prepare uniform, we don't prepare the people when they there. That is, we don't even they train them. Who they train them? The ones when you first day before, we not train them. Are you telling me that we not train them? How come their heads can't be like that? Not be the only SARS, not be they need reform. From the Aso Rock, go reach all the anything they don't consult all of them. They need the reform. The people get right to talk what they want, and the president he must, whether he like it or not, address the nation and tell them this is how you go to do am, and when the time. No be say you sit down for there, the thing dey get worse every day, dey get worse every day. You only dey there fit say after all na dem dey do am for outside, we dey inside there, we are secure, na Aso Rock we dey, nothing dey touch us, nothing dey shake us. My people, I don't understand, because I don't know whether na the way that they do it for uptown here, now it can make me they compare like that. But I believe say now our right, because the time when this man, you know, they always they talk this man matter Kanu. When they talk some things that time, some people they look and say just they talk out of most of the things when they talk now true. When they talk say zoo, when he means say now zoo country now we dey. I don't believe say that man no they refer to individual like me and you say now we be the zoo. Now the government now they refer to. Una not see am. As if they send Operation Python dance to Igbo land, go follow them the time that they fight for Biafra. Now they hear say he don't say Operation Crocodile Smile. Since when all these companies say na different animal they call the name after operation when they want to. Now since when Bubu enter. So my people, I want make una reason this matter. Make una still see am. Which difference una think from SARS to SWAT? Una think say they change the people, now new people be that, because for me not be new people. I don't know what you when they watch me, what you they think so. The uniform, now the badge when they come out, they only come another one put. Now what they think, now they talk so. So my people, how you see them, how you reason them, the way you think them, just leave your comment below at the comment section. My people, now here I will hang my matter. Now here I will hang my story for today. Make I reserve some. I will still give them more updates, still giving a gist for more talk. If I know it's still plenty for ground, I will still let you know my people. So now here I will hang up. I beg, if you be saying that your first time when you watch this my video and you never subscribe, I beg make you don't forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell. That notification bell I go to tell you anytime when I throw away my bonga gist. When I just put the gist like that, the thing go just make ken for your phone. With that one, you know, if you miss any of my gist. Yes, my correct people, those of you now when already subscribe to this my channel, my returning subscriber, God will bless you. I really appreciate you. So big. I love you guys. You are the best. I hope to see you now for my next video when not too far from now. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.